let's get started. So first we're going to start bleaching the knots just to make the hair look a little more real. I have my bleaching powder, my volume developer, and my scooper. We're going to mix all these products together and we are going to get right to it. Alright, so as we're mixing these products up, just make sure that it's not too thick and not too runny. Now we are going to apply the bleach to the knots. Just make sure you're being gentle, pressing the bleach into the knots. We want to make sure that we get the inside knot and the outside knot. And we want to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're just going to wash out the bleach, add some purple shimmer shampoo, and you'll see later that I'm adding regular shampoo, conditioner, and detangler. After I add the conditioner and detangler, I'm just going to let that set for about 10 minutes and then we'll wash it out to dry. Alright guys, it's time to assemble this wig. We are going to start plucking and then you'll see me, finessing it a little bit. You'll see how I do it. Just keep watching. So I'm just going to take some regular tweezers and I'm going to start plucking at my baby hairs just to thin it out a little bit because a full hairline is not cute, honey. Let me tell you. get some alcohol and we're going to rub it all over my forehead because I have makeup on it and I want this wig to stay glued down. Alright, so I'm going to, wipe my forehead off. You'll see that makeup come off, and then add our Got to Be Glued, and we're also going to add our Got to Be Glued spray, and we're going to lay this wig. Alright, and for this step, I'm going to be using my eyebrow razor to cut my baby hairs. I suggest you cut the baby hairs at an angle. I didn't do a very good job of that, so I fixed it later, so you'll see. Oh, and as for right here, I am using some Cantu curling mousse. You can use any mousse you'd like. I prefer this mousse because it doesn't get hard and it lays your hairs down quickly, and it keeps them from flying away. So when you're doing the baby hair portion of your hair, I suggest you use mousse because it does really help with laying down the hair and keeping it in place. Alright, and for here I'm just going to go in with some concealer very lightly, not a lot, not too much.